Hey everyone, welcome back to another update of the chassis build. Probably not going to get that much done today since it's already Sunday and I haven't worked on it at all yesterday, and I still need to cut my grass. But today I'm going to be concentrating on finishing up this front, connecting some bars and doing a little bit more welding, so I'll show you as I progress through things. Alright, some updates for right now. Before I start, if you're wearing old jeans, if you're wearing old jeans that has these on them, cut them off before you grind. When your pants light on fire, it hurts. I have a little bit of a burn right now. Nice. So anyway, don't do what I didn't do and cut them off. So I've been working today. I did I tied in, where is it, right there, the bar going in from there to there. That'll create that angled up to the one of the frame supports, so that'll make that nice and strong. And then I tied in this piece here. There'll be another one that comes up here once I put that in, then it'll tie into here also. So I did that. Let's see what else on the inside here. I got the bars going across on all three, right there, there, and there. What ended up happening, if you can see right here, is that bar that goes across, I didn't put it low enough. I didn't put it in line with this one like I wanted to. So rather than cutting all that out, what I did was I just stepped it up, welded it in. I'll be welding another piece underneath it to tie it in again, just to fill it in. But originally I wanted it to go straight across, but I'm about 3/8 of an inch, half inch off, so it's a little too high there, but it's okay. For what it's doing, it'll be plenty strong. I wanted to get more done, but cutting angles and things like that just take forever, and getting it all back lined up and whatnot. So next time I'll tie in these two bars going up there. I'll retie those back in. I still have to do this whole side over here to match this one, so that'll happen over there. I'll tie that in. Once I do those couple things, then the front section will be completed. I have one bar in the back to fill in, which I haven't done yet. I got a couple spots, you probably can't see. I got one over there in that corner I haven't welded yet, so I gotta weld that up. I'll have to go around and check to make sure I didn't miss anything else along the way. Let's see. I'm not there yet, but when I start putting the sheet metal in, I'll actually weld it in from underneath this bar here, these angled bars. There'll be a piece that welds in there, so that'll close that whole section in. And then from where it goes up, then there'll be pieces that go all the way up to the top here, and that'll close in that whole front. Then I'll just have to work on doing some welding, some plate on the side here to weld it in. But kind of like the original one does, there'll be a plate flat here, or vertical if you will. It'll angle up to this one, then come vertical again right up to the main bar there, and that'll tie all that together. I should have a lot of area in here for brackets and an HVAC unit over there, some electronics in here, whatever else I got to put in here. So I should have plenty of room. I did notice that one of these bars was a little bent, so it was actually angled out and then angled in. So what I did was I cut it, pulled it back in, got it straight again, and re-welded all that back up. So that's all set now. It's amazing what you find when you're going through these things. So I put the body back on just to kind of keep it safe. I got a template coming for the back, so I can make sure that all the brackets for the angles and stuff are in the exact right positions, make sure the window opening is the right size. That's the piece back here I still have to fix. I think, yeah, there's a little one right here, 3/4 inch piece I gotta weld back in. I think that's about it for today. Like I said, there wasn't much. It just, the things that I was working on just took forever. But it's getting there little by little. I only had today to work on it. So anyway, this will be a shorter video. Just want to thank everybody who does watch. If you get a chance, subscribe. If you already have, thank you. And talk to you probably next weekend.